Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Ford Transit radio. Before you begin, ensure your vehicle is turned off and safely parked. You will need a few essential tools to complete this task without causing damage. Gather 4 specialized radio removal keys, typically found for Ford models, along with a set of plastic trim removal tools. Additionally, a Phillips head screwdriver and a 7mm socket will be very helpful for certain fasteners. Next, we will focus on removing the dash trim. Start by using a plastic pry tool to gently loosen the trim panel surrounding the radio. Work slowly around the edges to avoid scratching the dashboard. Some models may have hidden screws, often Phillips head, that need to be removed after the initial trim piece is loosened. Once all fasteners are free, carefully unclip and remove the entire central dashboard bezel to expose the radio unit. Now it is time to release the radio itself. For many Ford Transit models, you will insert 4 radio removal keys into the horizontal slots on each corner of the radio face. Push them in until you hear a click, indicating they are engaged. Then, gently pull the keys outwards to release the radio from its mounting cage. If your radio does not have these slots, look for 4 7mm or Torx screws, securing the radio after the trim is removed. With the radio released, gently pull the unit forward from the dashboard opening. This will give you access to the wiring harnesses and the aerial cable at the back. Locate the locking tabs on each connector. Press these tabs firmly and then pull to disconnect the wires. Once all cables are detached, you can carefully slide the radio completely out of its housing. Remember to keep all removed parts organized for reinstallation or replacement.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.